Samsung's One UI 8.5 stable update is here, and it's packed with features that actually change how you use your phone every single day. Here are the best ones worth knowing about right now. The control panel has been completely rebuilt for customization. Tiles are slightly larger and the background is brighter, easier to read at a glance. But the real upgrade is in editing. You can now resize individual tiles, change the orientation of brightness and volume sliders, adjust media player size, and add or remove toggles freely. Go further by installing Good Lock and downloading the Quick Star module. Enable resize panel items, and the level of customization becomes almost unlimited. You can also enable show bar levels to see exact brightness and volume percentages while adjusting. Samsung also added Edit Panel Style. Apply custom images to completely change the visual look of your entire control center. No other Android brand comes close to this level of personalization. Open the control panel and tap Screen Recorder. There's now a brand new partial screen option. Select any specific portion of your screen to record, with a built-in magnifying glass for precise adjustment. Only that section records, everything else stays private. Genuinely useful for tutorials, sharing content, or recording without capturing sensitive information on screen. Go to your phone app, three-dot menu, Settings, Call Screening, and make sure it's enabled. When an unknown or spam call comes in, the AI answers on your behalf, asks who's calling and why, and reports back. You can jump in and take the call anytime you want. Turn this on immediately. It's one of those features that saves you constantly without you even thinking about it. Audio Eraser was already great for removing background noise from recorded videos. One UI 8.5 expands it to work on any video streaming app in real time. Watching a football match on YouTube and the crowd noise is overwhelming? Swipe down, tap Audio Eraser in Quick Settings, toggle it on, and control background noise instantly. Works on live broadcasts too. Long press your home screen, Wallpaper and Style, change wallpaper. The old generative wallpaper used preset templates. The new Creative Studio lets you type exactly what you want. Any description, any style, no restrictions. Your wallpaper, your words, generated instantly by Galaxy AI. Open any photo in Gallery and tap the AI button. There's now a Photo Assist Create option. Describe what you want changed in plain words, hit Create, and Galaxy AI transforms the image based on your prompt. It can also blend objects from completely different photos together seamlessly. This is next-level editing built directly into your gallery. No third-party app needed. Still inside Gallery, tap the Menu button and you'll find a brand new Private Album option. Select any photos you want hidden, tap More, move to Private Album. Those images disappear from your main gallery and every other app on your phone, accessible only with your fingerprint. Simple, secure, essential for anyone who values privacy. Two useful lock screen upgrades in One UI 8.5. First, when you set a wallpaper, the clock automatically repositions itself so it never overlaps the main subject of your photo. Works across all clock styles. You can also freely move the subject to align it exactly how you want. Second, a new weather option appears when applying lock screen wallpapers. Your current weather displays directly on the lock screen. Practical and clean. That's One UI 8.5. More customization, smarter AI, and genuinely useful daily features across the entire system. Which feature stands out most to you? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more One UI breakdowns as Samsung keeps pushing updates.